Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Rakhi Sikri, and today we are going to discuss the top 10 most important multiple choice questions from the chapter Electricity and Circuits class 6. So let us begin. Question number 1 is, what is the source of electrical energy in a circuit? Is it A bulb, B switch, C battery or D wire? The correct answer to the question is battery. The battery provides the necessary energy to move electrons through the circuit, creating an electric current. Moving on to the next question. Which part of the circuit is used to open or close the circuit? Is it A bulb, B switch, C battery or D option wire? And the correct answer to the question is switch. The switch is an electronic and electrical component that controls the flow of current in a circuit. It has two primary states, open, which is the off position, and closed, which is the on position. Moving on to the next question. What happens when you switch on an electric circuit? And the options are A. The circuit is broken, B. The circuit is completed, C. The bulb breaks or D. The wire melts. The correct answer to the question is the circuit is completed. Switching on a circuit completes it, allowing electric current to flow through and power the devices like bulbs. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of an insulator? The options are A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Silver or is it D. Rubber? The correct answer is rubber. Insulators are materials that hinder the free flow of electrons from one particle of the element to another. Question number 5. Which component of a circuit converts electrical energy into light energy? Is it A battery or B switch or C bulb or is it D wire? The correct answer of the question is bulb. A bulb converts electrical energy into light energy when electric current passes through it. Moving on to question number 6. What is the role of the wires in an electric circuit? A. To provide resistance. Option B. To generate electricity. Option C. To conduct electric current. Or option D. To store electrical energy. The correct answer of this question is to conduct electric current. Wires are conductors that allow electric current to flow from one component to another in a circuit. Question number 7. Which term describes the flow of electric charge? Is it A. Voltage, B. Resistance, C. Current or D. Power? The correct answer of this question is current. Current is the flow of electric charge in a circuit and is measured in amperes. It represents how much charge passes through a point in a circuit over a given time. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of a simple electric circuit? Options are a light bulb connected to a battery with wires. Option B. A light bulb connected to another light bulb. Option C. A switch connected to a resistor. And option D. A battery connected to a capacitor. The correct answer for this question is a light bulb connected to a battery with wires. A simple electric circuit consists of a power source, which is a battery, a load, which is a light bulb and connecting wires. Our body is a good conductor of electricity. Option B, sometimes good and sometimes bad conductor. Option C, bad conductor of electricity. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer for this question is a good conductor of electricity. The human body is mainly composed of water and charged particles. The cells in the human body contain different ions like chlorine ion, potassium ion, sodium ion, which possess the tendency to conduct electricity. This makes the body a good conductor of electricity. And the last question of the day, a bulb has option A, 2 terminals and 2 filaments. Option B, 2 terminals and a filament. Option C, multiple terminals and single filament. And option D, single terminal and a filament. The correct answer to this question is 2 terminals and a filament. So tungsten is used to make the bulb's filament, which lights when an electric current is supplied through it. This filament is linked to the 2 terminals of the battery on both the sides, allowing the circuit to be completed and the current to flow. So these were all the questions, the 10 most important questions for the chapter Electricity and Circuit. Hope you learnt a lot. Write in the comments how many of them you got right. Do like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Take care and bye-bye.